channel named Control Intelligence. Guys, in this video we are going to learn how to download interpreter and IDE for Python. Guys, stay tuned with me. I'll provide the link of both interpreter and IDE in the comment box.
Okay, now let's begin practical implementation. Guys, you are eager to write a code, right? Yeah, but where you will write a code? You can simply open any editor and start writing a code. Let's see which editor I have. See, I have Notepad and Notepad++. Open any editor. I'll open Notepad++. Okay, now it's opened. We can write any code here. I know you don't know to write a code, right? Yes. Let's use Python as scientific calculator. Let's add two numbers. Now take any two numbers, right? 4 plus 4 plus 8. But you will not get an answer here. But yeah, believe me, it's a Python code. Python is an interpreted language and we need to install an interpreter. Guys, interpreter interprets the result and executes the program. Now first, we should check, do we have an interpreter inbuilt for Microsoft 10? No, we don't have an inbuilt interpreter for Windows 10. We need to download it. Now let's download it first. Go on Chrome. Simply search Python download. Python download. Click enter. Let the page get loaded and see the first website is the official website. Guys, you may choose other websites too, but prefer official website as it provides you recent versions. So please click on first website. Okay, now our page is loaded. Sorry for the background noise, guys, please ignore it. Now you may see that the latest version for Windows is 3.8.2. Then you can click here on download Python 3.8.2. It will start downloading. Guys, see, it is downloaded. I have downloaded it before. So keep the settings to default. No need to make any change. Now in future you may use Python to build many big projects, like you may build your own Facebook, you may build your own chat box, you may write websites, applications, etc. You need something called IDE. Guys, IDE refers to ID. Wait, let me write. Guys, IDE refers to Integrated Development Environment. This is the needed platform for coding. Now in total we need two things. First is the interpreter and second is an IDE. Guys, now our Python is downloaded and now we'll check what does it do. Okay, now I'll simply click on Windows and search Python. Now see, there we go. We have Python 3.8, the 32-bit installer and an idle. Guys, let's click on 3.8. See, in Windows you may call it as a prompt box, or if you are using a Linux it is called as a shell. Now, hey, can we do here 2 plus 3 or any mathematical calculation? Let's check. We were doing here 4 plus 8. Now let's do it here and see. 4 plus 8. Now we cross the fingers, guys, we may get the output. Enter. Yes, we got the output. Yeah, it's 12. Now it gives the output, right? Now this is the basic application, but guys, we need an integrated development environment for coding. Python already provides it with a name called IDLE. It's a official IDE of Python. But guys, I personally prefer Pycharm over IDLE. Now, how to download the Pycharm? Guys, again, go on Google. Simply search Pycharm download. Pycharm is developed by JetBrains. JetBrains is one of the most established organization to develop interpreters and integrated development environments. See, JetBrains website is there. Now let's click on first website only. The page is getting loaded. See, here you have two versions, professional version and community version. If you are using other than Windows, you have Mac and Linux, but I am using Windows, so I have two versions, that is professional and community version. For professional version, you can use it for scientific and web development with HTML, JS and SQL support. But for community version, you can use only Python. You can use it only for pure Python development. Guys, we have no such use of we are not going to try web development now, so we can simply go for community version. Now let's click on community download. See, downloaded has, thank you for downloading Pycharm, and downloading has begun. Now I have already downloaded it, so I will pause it, and you should open it by keeping all the settings default. It will tell you to select a launcher, that is 64-bit, 32-bit launcher. Select 64-bit according to your device. Then open it. It will ask you to set a theme. Then I personally like dark theme. It is called as Darkula here, but as I am a YouTube content creator, I need to use white theme or bright theme. So now I'll show you how to open the Pycharm. Simply search Pycharm and open it. It's 2020.1 version. It's the latest version. Now it is getting loaded. See, very beautiful logo, Pycharm community 2020.1. It is developed by JetBrains. See the icon here. It is getting loaded. See guys, this is the window that will show you. It is loading Pycharm projects and all. Here you can simply create a new project. They will show you the instructions how to create a new project and etc. They are opening the files. I was working on Pycharm yesterday, so I think some of my files will get opened. Okay, now you can go for new file from here. Directly click right click here on anything. Just click right click here. Then go to new and then click on Python file. You will open a new Python file. You have to name it. I'll name it new and enter. See, you will get a new page to write a code here. Guys, we are all set to begin coding. Guys, stay tuned with me. From next lecture we are going to begin Python coding.
Now guys, we are done with the installation of interpreter and IDE of Python. From next video, we are going to see actual implementation, that is coding in Python. Guys, let me know your excitement in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.